At Meta-dology, we're not just building models, we're building certainty. We're pioneering a future where developers, architects, and construction professionals can explore every facet of a project before the first brick is laid. Imagine dropping your architectural plans or Revit files into a shared, interactive 3D space. Your vision is rapidly transformed into a fully immersive environment, accessible from any device, anywhere in the world. Within the first 3 days, Meta-dology captures your site and its surroundings using high-resolution satellite scans. We then overlay your site plan and seamlessly integrate your architectural model, instantly transforming it into a photorealistic, interactive 3D environment. From there, you can adjust layouts, test different heights, and explore finish options in real time, bringing your vision to life before construction even begins. Conceptual shifts that once took weeks now happen in seconds. No more back and forth, no missed details. In planning sessions, every stakeholder, from developer to engineer, is looking at the same evolving model. Change a wall? Everyone sees the impact. Need quantity takeoffs? They're built into the model. Suddenly, collaboration isn't just easier, it's decisive. This is where design oversights are caught before they cost you, where alignment becomes visual, and where budgets become accurate. For contractors, every finish, every layer, every fixture is already visible. Nothing left to interpretation. Expectations are aligned. Site surprises? Almost none. Because now, the entire construction team is building from the same digital blueprint. We can integrate with planning databases like ArcGIS, utility grids, demographic insights, or municipal zoning. We simulate weather, adjust for light, and account for the real-world data that affects your project from day one. It's drag-and-drop simplicity, backed by a team that turns your plans into actionable visuals fast. Once a project is approved, Meta-dology seamlessly transitions from planning tool to activation platform, serving every stakeholder in the value chain. For architects, it becomes a presentation-ready model to articulate design intent with precision. For construction professionals, it provides a continuously updated visual reference, reducing on-site confusion and aligning subcontractors. For retail and commercial developers, it creates immersive pre-leasing tools to engage investors and tenants early. And for residential teams, it empowers buyers to explore and personalize their future homes with confidence. No matter the sector, Meta-dology's platform becomes a unified environment for showcasing, selling, and securing commitment, long before physical access is available. Interactive walkthroughs, scenario testing, and smart model overlays bring unparalleled clarity to presentations, marketing campaigns, investor pitches, and regulatory approvals. Whether you're preparing for a council review, pitching a mixed-use precinct, or rolling out to sales teams and leasing agents, Meta-dology ensures your project isn't just explained, it's experienced. From vision to market, Meta-dology doesn't just support your project, it amplifies its potential. Meta-dology, because clarity isn't a luxury, it's the foundation of great work.